You know those times where you're walking through the garden and you see that little job you need to do, but you hold off because you're wearing your nice clothes? Wouldn't it be great if you had a gardening apron that you could just slip on over your clothes in seconds and be able to just do a little bit of weeding, a little bit of trimming, and know that your clothes are still protected?
Yeah, hence the Aussie Gardener apron. Loving the new colours. You've got plum and navy blue.
And we've got the original green. A lot of our customers love that colour as well.
Yep. And then it's also made from 100% cotton, so it's great. You can wash it anytime when it's getting a bit too dirty. Brilliant pockets to keep all your secateurs, scissors, all sorts of bits and bobs, lip gloss.
You've got your lip gloss. It's like a handbag in there. I like to keep it like a little few snacks. It's very important in the middle pocket there when you're out gardening as well.
And then you've also got the phone pocket, so you can listen to music while you're working, answer those phone calls that you need to get.
That's right. We put the phone pocket up high and we protected it with a Velcro flap so that you can hear it while you're out there, so you won't miss any calls. It's great for listening to audio books or podcasts, maybe a bit of music while you're doing a little bit of gardening is always a nice thing to do. And some of the other features is we've got a strap here that is adjustable. You can tie it to the right height for your body. And then we've also added the neck saving strap. Now, this is just a simple little feature that we added, and it's a strap that goes from your neck down to your waist. And what this does is it takes away all that pressure on the back of your neck, which can sometimes happen when you're wearing aprons. In fact, our staff in the warehouse wear these aprons all day long, every day, super comfortable and hard wearing as well. So look, for aprons like this, I've seen them up around the $90 in stores for the same kind of, canvas apron. And we're doing it way below that. We're talking about below $40 you can get this apron from the Aussie Gardener store. But on top of that, we've also added what? Recently, we've got our kneeling pads. That's right.
So in the matching colours, or you can mix it up and you can have the pink and I can have the blue.
Yes, I can't steal Kayleen's one because it's colour coordinated for her. So these are also made in the canvas with a high durability foam that's designed for outdoor use, great for when you're kneeling in the garden, keep your knees dry and also, avoid those rocks and things. Yes. So if you want to get some of these are also available in the Aussie Gardener store. There's over 1,000 reviews for these aprons because we've got lots and lots of customers who love wearing these. They're so comfortable, so practical, keep your tools handy. How many times have we lost secateurs in the garden?
Many.
And then find them later all rusted, looking like an antique because we've put them down when we've been doing some pruning. So now you just slip them into the pocket and all is good. So head to the Aussie Gardener store and get yourself a canvas garden apron, fantastic as a gift for a green thumb that you know as well.